It's like that old school disc, isn't it? Doing a bit of Monopoly now, are we?
Yeah. So, they have lots over there. I do like the green and gold that's on that plaque.
Yes, I do like that too, darling.
Oh, me too.
Let's cross over and see it a bit more, the plaque.
Oh, what's that?
So Mayfair, we like that plaque. So what do you notice about the greenery here then?
Very forest style.
I think it's just a bit of nature.
It's pretty fair.
That way
Wow.
it's kind of safe. People sit on. Yeah, one of them. So yeah, and then you would take it on your right shoulder. So
This
sorry.
one? I'm not very good with that. Okay, my right shoulder.
Yeah, and then you can take it back, but it's important that you find the point at which it balances itself. Slightly. So you might have to adjust where you're sitting or where the heart is, so that it's not heavy on your shoulder.
Okay, so we just finished. The Royal College of Music is behind us with the Royal Albert Hall in front of us. There's people walking by. My mum wants me to do a video. So we just like spoke about, it was a bit anxiety, social anxiety at first.
Inducing.
Yeah, because there were so many people there and she was talking directly to me, but there wasn't like real questions or anything, so it was just a bit weird. But then she took us up to a room where a harp was, and then I like played with it a little bit. The harp is like, you can't mess it up, like I did weird things, and it just all sounded fine. Of course it wouldn't be great to an expert ear, but then she played and it was just really nice. Hi everyone, it's Malaya. I'm the 0.3 and 1.3 family. Welcome to the family. So we're going to see our second potential harp teacher. I think this is the one that we're going to stick with, possibly, because they're quite local. So I'm wearing the same outfit again, minus the jeans. I've got leggings instead. I'm just hoping they didn't have holes in them, but I don't think they do. So we kind of just rushed at the house because I didn't give myself enough time to get ready and all that, because I just rescued 2 bunnies. This Friday, it's Wednesday today, so it's been about 5 days, and they're quite sick, so they need a lot of attention. So I kind of got distracted while dealing with them, and then I forgot that I have to go here, and then we went to the shops earlier and we were doing training with Bailey, and Bailey's got dog training tomorrow. So it's just been a bit of a busy week this week, and it's going to continue to be a busy week. But we've seen the harp teacher.
Right. Feet, yeah. Feet on the floor. Sit more on the edge of the chair, so you kind of can like really sit tall and straight. Yeah. And then it goes on your right shoulder. Like that. And we can judge the field. Yeah. And you're kind of in control of it rather than the harp is in control of you. It is really big. So you can't reach the bass strings with the right hand. And no one can, it's fine. But with the left hand, yes.
I can definitely.
But we usually don't go so low. Like, and now let's do both hands. So you're gonna do wild. Right. Both hands. Yeah, and when you go down, we'll use the thumbs. Like that, and just slide, yeah. Nice. That's cool. And we'll try and change the harmony. Yeah. We're gonna just swap them completely on the other side. So that one will go completely up, completely down. Down, completely up, completely down. So now try to do the same.
Should I do it on this side as well?
No, this side let's keep for So now we're gonna find your middle C.
Okay.
So that's the middle C. Good. And now your tip of the finger. Yep. So we'll have to face down. Right hand. Let's find all the D's.
Okay, D.
That's E.
Oh, that's E. D.
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 Good. D. D. And one down.
Oh.
Still
I
good.
need to use my other hand as well.
Good. And last one with the right hand, we're going to do Ace.
Okay.
Yeah. Say A and A. Good.
And E.
Mm-hmm. Back to the D.
C.
No, that's the E. So
Oh,
see,
okay.
one up.
So tell them what you're doing.
Mark the beats in the following rhythms by adding numbers. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 2. Oh, I don't think that's right though. Oh.
Remember with the harp, you've got to practice your alphabet going forward and backwards. Let's do that quickly. A, B,
C D E F.
G. Is there a G there?
No, F.
Okay, go on.
A B C D E F D. No, A B C D. A B C D E F E D C B A.
You've got to go faster.
A B C D E F E D C B A.
Okay.
A B C D E F E B C B A.
Do it just backwards. F. No, you can't write it down. Just do it from backwards.
F E D C B A.
That's better. Again.
F D C B E A.
Good.
F. No, that's wrong. So wrong. And you said good as well.
Go on, do it again.
F E. This is a 2, this is a 1, this is 1 1 1 1 2 1. This is a 1 1 1. And there's 3 beats in each bar, so it's 3 over 4.
Okay, shrinking past this.
Pass it.
How long do you think it'll take her to get through the books?
I can do it in a few weeks.
Yeah. That's fantastic. Did you hear that, Bailey? She said she can do it in a few weeks. Yeah.
But I don't.
You know that. Is there a squirrel?
He is a good and smart master, and he made me this collar so that I may talk. Squirrel!
Perhaps you desired squirrel!
Is there a squirrel?
Skills. Alright, so I just had my first official harp lesson. We still need to buy a harp and a manuscript book, and I need to bring a notepad. So this is my music theory book. I did this before the class, just read through it, and then she wants me to do this as homework.
How many pages? Okay, quite a lot. Up to 4. Wow. She doesn't waste time at all. That's what I like. My money's going to good use.
And then she...
No, this is Russian, you said.
No, it's in Russian because she's Russian.
Do you understand it though?
No, it's called clock.
Okay.
So I need to use... This is a 2-hand piece, but it's very basic. It's just one hand does E and the other hand moves. Just clock and then wooden shoe dance. They're all like quite childish, but it's still quite hard. So this one, you need to do your fingers like that, and then you go that one, that one, that one, that one, and you move down a scale each time.
How is she though? So you say she doesn't waste time?
She doesn't waste time, so we kind of, I think you messed up the time frame, because when I got there, like, she still had a student there.
I did.
And it was, you checked, right?
I haven't checked, but I think I did, yeah.
Yeah. So make sure that you send me on the right time next time. But they were finishing up anyway, but
Okay.
she usually just has an hour in between.
Okay.
But she said it's alright. And then she just sat down, we went through the book, and we just started, I guess.
Okay.
And she wanted to make sure that I remembered, like, reading the notes.
Okay, cool. So do you think you'd be able to get this exam?
Oh, I didn't ask her.
Okay, I'll ask her. Anything else you want to say about harp lessons? Is it awesome? Do you think you can manage a year? Because
So
you're not
much
allowed.
mental
You're not allowed to
I'm so
fail.
tired.
You've got to do a whole year with it now.
Yeah, I like it. I'm just so tired.
Is it tiring as well? Do you feel like it gets your brain
It's
really going?
mental work. Like, you go from F to A, but not A up, A down.
Yeah.
So you have to think, okay, where's A? But it's easy because the C is red and then the F is black and then all the other ones are white. So you can know that if it's A, then it's going to be 2 behind the C. And if it's E, it'll be 1 behind the F.
Cool, alright, cool. Is there anything else?
No.
Okay.